Hello my friends and welcome to the new session. In this video I'm gonna show you how to configure MPLS option A, B and C. In our topology, as you can see here, we have two service providers. Okay, the first service provider has autonomous system 100 and the other one is 200. For each service provider we have two customers, customer ABC and customer DEF. In the other side also we have customer DEF and customer ABC. Our objective to make sure these two customers, customer ABC and ABC here, can reach each other, and also for customer DEF can reach DEF in the other side. After that we need to play with option A and B and C. But before we do that, we need to configure first internal routing. Okay, for the service provider number 100, it used ISIS domain. Okay, and the other one is used OSPF. And for the customers, the reachability will be via BGP. Okay, so now let's move directly to configure the whole network and starting from scratch. Okay, so let's move directly to my secure CRT. Okay, good. So here I have router 1. I gonna start with customer ABC. Enable. Okay, so I need to change the name. Okay, let's do it R1. Good. After that we need to configure the loopback. As you can see here, I have already note all router has loopback start with 10, so loopback 0, IP address 10. After that, based on the number of router. Okay, so this is router 1, so it will be 111. Okay, 255.255.255. Good. And then configure the interface Ethernet 00. I have IP address here 10.1.255.255.250.2. Good. So here I gonna start with IPs, then I need to move move the BGP configuration and so on. So the next router is router 2. Okay, router 2, interface Ethernet 01. We have IP address what is it, 11. Okay, 00.255.255.252. Good. Interface, next interface Ethernet 2, IP address 12.0.0.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. Okay, and for this interface I'm gonna use the VRF. Okay, the VRF which is called ABC. So how to create the VRF? I am gonna use IP VRF forwarding or IPVRF. It's enough. Some routers it use IPVRF forwarding, but okay. ABC. Good. Then exit. Let's do interface 00 IP VRF forwarding ABC. Okay, then IP address 10.0.0.2.255.255.252. Okay, good. So now we finished with router 2. Then let's move to router 3. Okay, host name R3. Here we have interface 0 Ethernet 00 with IP address 12.0.0.2.55.255.2. Now shut down, and interface to IP address with 14. Okay, now shut down with interface Ethernet 1, IP address 16.0.0.1.255.252. Okay, nice. And let's move to router 4. Router 4, we have interface Ethernet 00 Okay, 11.0.0.2.5.2.0.2, now shut down. Interface 0, Ethernet 02, IP address with 14.2.255.255.252, now shut down. And Ethernet 01, IP address with 15.0.0.1. Oh, sorry, we forgot one thing, the loopbacks. Never mind. Okay, I will add it right now. Loopback interface 0. This is IP address 410.444 and /32. Okay, I'm gonna configure it also for router 2. Loopback 0, IP address 10.222.255.255.255. Okay, for router 3, loopback 0, IP address 10.333. Okay, router 4 is done. Okay, and let's move now to router 5. Sorry, host name R5, interface 00, IP address with 15.0.0.2.552.502, now shut down. And also 01, IP address 16.0.0.2.255.255.255.252. Nice, great. And also we have router 4, which is we have the second customer. We forget to add it. Great. Now IPVRF DEF. Okay, good. And going to the interface, Ethernet 03, IPVRF forwarding DEF. Great. Then IP address 17.0.0.2. Let's move it to 255.255.252. Now shut down. Good. And let's do configure 12 because we are in that side. Okay, this is number 12. Conf hostname router 12, interface 0, IP address 17.0.0.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. And also need to configure loopback IP address is 10.12.12.12.255.255.255.255. Good. So we finished with this part or this service provider. Then we need to configure the ISIS. Before we going to that, I need to configure all the network with the IPs. Then we move to what? To the IGP or the internal protocols. Okay. Let's move now to number 6. Good. Okay, router 6. So I will not configure this part. So I will let it when we start with option A and option B and option C. Okay, so let's keep it these two interfaces. Let's move directly to interface Ethernet 00, IP address with 19.0.0.1.255.255.252. Shut down. And interface 1, IP address 22.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. And interface loopback 0, IP address 10.666.255.255.255. Okay, great, nice. So let's move to router 7. Okay, interface, or before that, change the name, router 7, interface loopback 0, IP address 10.77.255.255.255, and interface 00, 20.0.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. Interface 02 IP address 23.0.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. Great. Okay, we finished that part as well. Let's now move to router 8. Enable hostname router 8. Start with interface 00 IP address 20.0.2.255.255.252. Now shut down. And we have here Ethernet 1 IP address 21.1.255.255.252. Now shut down. And I have here a customer DF. I need to create the VRF first. DEF. Okay. Then access to interface 02 IP VRF forwarding DEF. Okay. Then IP address 25.0.0.1 to 5 or 2 to 55252. Okay, nice. Let's move to 10 before to do 9. Okay, let's start with the customer host router 10 interface 02 11 address. It will be 255.0.1 255.255.252 and also loopback 0 IP address. It will be 10.10.10.10. Good. Now let's move to 9. Hostname R9. Good. Interface loopback 0 IP address 10.9.99 sorry 99 255.255.252. Now shut down. Okay, great. And after that interface 00 or before 00.01 IP address 21.2.255.255.252 and also Ethernet 2 IP address 23.0.0 2 to 55.255.252. Now shut down. Good. And also I have another interface Ethernet 00. Sorry, yeah, already I am in 00 2 2002 to 55.255.252. 52. Okay, and also I need to create the VRF here, IP VRF ABC. Okay, good. Then interface 03 IP VRF forwarding ABC. Then IP address 24.0.0.2 to 55.255.252. Now shut down. Okay, good. Then the last but not least 11 host name R11 interface loopback 0 IP address 10.11.11.11 to 55.255. Okay, good. Interface Ethernet 00 24.0.0.1 to 55.255.252. Okay, good. Just let's make sure R9 is 2. Okay, good. This is this one. Okay. So now we configure all the interfaces or the whole IP addresses in our topology. Now we need to start with ISIS domain and OSPF domain. So this configuration, it will be in the next video. Thank you so much and see you in next video.